Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. SigniFlow's Portfolios feature is one of our differentiators, which businesses use extensively. It is essentially a customer portal where any document can be uploaded, shared and sent for e-signing. Sharing a portfolio with a customer allows them to upload supporting documents when they sign, or directly into the portal, and the system will notify you of any activity via email, so you can keep track of the progress of all your documents with ease. In this video, we take you through how to turn notifications on and off for a portfolio. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Portfolios. Open Portfolios by clicking on the Portfolios tab in the left navigational panel. You can also open your portfolios from your dashboard by tapping on the Portfolios basket. Step 2. Open the portfolio. A table containing all your portfolios will display. Open the portfolio you want to receive notifications from by clicking on the Open button in the corresponding row within the table. Step 3. Open Portfolio Settings. Tap on the Portfolio Settings button within the top navigational panel. Step 4. Enable Notifications. Check the Receive Notifications for this portfolio checkbox. And that's it. You've set up your portfolio so that you'll be notified of any actions that take place as they happen. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.